In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Ghibli image for ChatGPT and Grok AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to generate an original anime-style illustration inspired by Studio Ghibli using Grok, and how to refine it so it matches the vibe you're imagining. First, open your Grok account. If you're new, create an account and sign in. If you already have one, just log in as usual. Once you're in, make sure you're on the main page where you can type into the search or prompt bar. That's the space where you'll give Grok your creative direction. Click into the search bar and type this. Create an original anime-style illustration inspired by Studio Ghibli. Then press enter. Keep the wording clear and simple just like that. Using the word original nudges the AI to produce a fresh, unique image that captures the gentle, whimsical spirit of those classic animations without copying anything directly. After you submit, give Grok a moment to process and generate the artwork. If you see multiple results, scan through them and pick the one that best matches your vision. Once your image appears, you have two easy paths. If you like what you see, feel free to download it right away using the download option on the screen. Save it somewhere you can find later, especially if you plan to include it in a project or share it in a conversation. If you want the image to change, add more instructions right in the same chat. Think about what would make it closer to your idea. You can specify the setting, like a sunlit forest or a cozy town at dusk. You can describe the character, perhaps a curious traveler with a small companion. Mention mood and color, such as warm pastel tones, soft lighting, or a misty morning atmosphere. You can ask for a particular perspective, like a wide cinematic view or a close-up portrait. If you prefer a certain level of detail, say highly detailed textures or a simple painterly finish. Keep your edits concise and make one or two changes at a time so you can clearly see how each tweak affects the result. When you're happy, download the updated image. That's all there is to it. Open your Grok account, enter the prompt to create an original anime-style illustration inspired by Studio Ghibli, press enter, then either download your favorite result or refine it with more guidance until it feels just right. Enjoy creating and have fun bringing that warm storybook magic into your projects.